intense machining on both sides, while maintaining all the flexibility and possibilities offered by its FANUC 16i control. The rear turret has been developed for making external and internal machining operations, both in the main spindle and sub-spindle, while the front one usually works against the main spindle. This allows distributing the work equally in both turrets, in order to minimize the non-productive cycles. The rear turret can have a vertical Y-axis with a 70 mm travel. The Omega model is the ideal substitute for automatic lathes, for those parts